In this DIY project, we will show you how to replace your Allora USA cartridge from your kitchen faucet. Some reasons to replace your cartridge would be leaking occurs around the handle area, water drips when the handle is in the off position, or the handle will not remain in the off position. To complete this project, you will need an adjustable wrench, a tongue and groove plier, a 2.5mm hex key, a single-edge razor blade, and of course, your new cartridge. Start by making sure your faucet handle is in the off position. Now, turn off the hot and cold water supply valves. Let's start by removing the handle button to gain access to the set screw. Depending on the model of your faucet, the access cavity for the set screw will either be on the top or the bottom of the handle. This button will either be a hot-cold indicator or it will be a plug. Now that we have access to the set screw, grab your 2.5mm hex key and remove the screw. Now let's detach the handle from the body. If the handle feels stuck, give it a pull and it should come right off. Next, unscrew the trim cap by turning it counterclockwise. If you are having trouble removing the trim cap by hand, use a small rag in order to get a better grip. If you still can't remove it, use a set of pliers to grip the backside of the trim cap. Now that the trim cap is out of the way, let's remove the lock nut. Using the adjustable wrench, turn the lock nut counterclockwise until it detaches. Once loose, unscrew by hand. Now, remove the cartridge from the body, making sure that the gasket has been extracted as well. Let's start reassembling the faucet. Take your new cartridge and line the two guides with the corresponding slots in the faucet base. You may have to turn it back and forth until you feel it secure in place. You will need to hold the cartridge in place while you tighten the lock nut by hand. Now grab your adjustable wrench to give the lock nut an additional quarter turn. Now reinstall the trim cap. Make sure to hand tighten only. Next, slide the handle onto the cartridge arm and tighten the set screw. We recommend partially inserting the set screw into the hand cavity prior to attaching the handle. This way, you avoid working in a difficult position when inserting the set screw into the handle. Now, let's insert the handle button back into the handle to cover the set screw cavity. Now that we are done, let's test the new cartridge to ensure that it is working properly and that there are no leaks. Start by turning the hot and cold water supply valves back on. Turn the faucet handle on and check for leaks near the handle area. A parts diagram of this faucet will be listed in the description below, along with how to purchase parts through our website at AlloraUSA.com. Thank you for watching. Come back and visit us for more Allora USA DIY projects. And for immediate assistance, give us a call at 571-291-3484.